Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to fix the Google Sheets showing formula instead of results. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are working on Google Sheets, okay, so whenever you try to do some kind of calculation, for example, here you can see some of the numbers. Okay, so I will try to add some more numbers like 106 and 705 and all. Okay, so here you can see some of the numbers. Okay, and suppose whenever you want to do some kind of addition or subtraction or multiplication or anything. Okay, so whenever you are trying to do some addition, for example, let's take an example of addition. Okay, suppose if you want to do the addition, what you will do is like you will put some formula is equal to some, here you will select, and here you will select all the cells for which you want to do the addition or subtraction or whatever it may be. Okay, so here I have selected all the cells and I have used the formula, and finally I will close the parenthesis and I will press enter. Okay, so here you can see the formula instead of the result. So I want to make addition of all these numbers. I want to add all these numbers and I want to get the result. Okay, suppose if I add all these numbers, so the result is 2961, but here I can see only the formula. So I have used this formula to get the result, but I'm not able to see the result. Instead of that, I'm seeing the formula. Okay, so in this case, like if you want to fix this error, means for that what you can do is like here you can go to the view option, select show, and here you can see the formulas has been selected. Okay, so just uncheck this particular option, formulas. Okay, that means like here you want to view the formulas instead of the result. Here you have selected for the formulas. Okay, that's the reason it was showing the formula. Okay, so now I have unchecked this particular option, formulas, and now I can see this particular result. Okay, so this is how you can fix the particular problem or the error, Google Sheets showing the formula instead of results. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. Hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.